Good morning, student. Today we'll start with next unit, marketing, marketing management and marketing mix. So we'll start with concept of market. Now market is the word derived from a Latin word marketer, between merchandise, wares or trade. The market is a common language is used for a place where the buyers and seller meet to fulfill their needs. One is ready to sell the product, other is ready to purchase the product. The usage of market term market also suggests the nature of the product which is to be traded. Like take for example, you go to market to buy vegetable to sabji mandi. You go to buy automobile, your electronic item to somewhere else. So nature, what is the nature of the product? Or you want to buy stock with shares, then you have to go approach stock market. The term market is also used sometimes to indicate the volume of trades which take place between the buyer and the seller, like the wholesale market, retail market. So if you are going to RWR in Dehradun, it means you are going for wholesale purchase in wholesale. Now, according to modern view of market refers to a group of the actual and potential buyer of goods and services. Now next, customer. The most important role is played by customer. Now marketing is not possible without customers for buyers. Like take an example, during lockdown, no customer was there. Or now also you see that only for essential goods, customers are there. For other, like taking, you will not buy at this particular time, you will not buy any luxurious goods because first you have to fulfill your needs during lockdown. Now customer refers to people or organization that seek satisfaction of their needs and wants. It is for the satisfaction of their needs and wants that they move in market to buy products and services. The term customer can also be used in a variety of concepts like male customers and female customers, children customers, infants, teenage, old customers, super rich customers, rich customers, middle class customers and lower income customers. Now customers are important for marketers because without customer there cannot be any market. Customer brings their needs and wants to the market. The marketer succeeds by fulfilling the customer's needs and wants. Now needs and wants. What is a need? Like take an example. I am a teetotaler, so liquor is not my need. But one who is not a teetotaler, liquor is need. Needs are the fundamental of human survival and existence. They refer to the basic human requirements. For instance, we need food, shelter and clothes. Roti, kapda aur makan. They are basic needs. Just in order to survive. Another needs include need for entertainment, recognition by others, friendship, etc. Like take an example, now migrant labor, they are moving from, might be saying that they are moving to their native place. Why? Because their need for food, shelter and clothing is not being fulfilled where they are. So they are going to their native village. Recognition by other, friendship, etc. The need differ in their importance. Once the basic needs are satisfied, the human needs being moved to onto the satisfy other needs. Like an example, at parents scenario also, your parent might be worried about your basic needs. That is roti, kapda aur makan, food, shelter and clothing. If you want to buy other things, luxurious things, so they will say no, during lockdown we can't go for that. Those who are from limited income group I am talking about, not wealthy people. Thank you.